Hello, let's start past continuous tense. So, what is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense are used for the sentences to represent an action or event that was going in the past. Means they are used to represent the action that was in the progress in the past. Okay, means the sentences that was started in the past and that ended in the past only. Okay, so let's see how to write the past continuous tense. So we will be discussing the syntax here. See, first of all, we will write subject, then helping verb, that is was or were. Was or were are used to represent the past form. Okay, then ing form of the verb, and then the remaining subject, remaining sentence. See, the syntax is same as present continuous tense. Only difference is was or were. In the present continuous, we were adding is, am, are. Okay, but in the past continuous, we will add was or were. Okay, for example, I means subject here. Okay, then helping verb with I we use was, and then making is the ing form of verb make, and then the remaining sentence. So the sentence is converted into the past continuous tense. She, subject, then was, then cooking is the ing form of the verb cook, and then the remaining sentence. So this is the sentence in the past continuous form. Now next, when to add was or were. Okay, see, singular form I, first person singular form I, we will add was. Second person you, were, we will add were. Third person like he, she, it, or any other name like Rita, Sita, we will add was. First person plural, plural form of I is we will add were. Second person plural, you is the second person singular and the plural form of you is you only, and we will add were only. Okay, third person plural, he, she, it will become they in the plural form, and we will add were. Okay, for example, I was driving to the park. See, I is the first person singular, and we will add was. You were, and see, it is a second person singular. You were drinking some water. Then we will add were. He was about to eat dinner. Third person singular, and we will add was. We were in the right spot. First person plural, and we will add were. Okay. Now, how to convert any sentence into the past continuous tense. See, in order to convert any sentence into the past continuous tense, we will have to remember our syntax. Okay, we will look towards the syntax, and we will be able to convert any sentence into the past continuous form. See, I drive car. Now this sentence is in the present simple form. Okay, see, syntax of the past continuous form is subject plus was were and then ing form. Okay, then I is the subject, we will add I. First of all, I subject. Okay, then with I we add was, helping verb with the singular form I is was, and then drive will become driving. I was driving car. So see, we have converted this sentence into the past continuous form. They eat food. Again, this sentence is in the simple past, present simple form. With they is the subject. First of all, we will add they, and with they we will use helping verb were. They were, and eat will become eating, ing form of eat. They were eating food, and the sentence is converted into the past continuous form. Now, how to write the negative form of the past continuous tense. Okay, so syntax is very simple. Subject, then helping verb, was or were, and we will add not in order to convert the positive sentence into the negative form. Okay, then ing form of the verb and then the remaining sentence. Okay, simply we will have to add the not here. She was not working today. See, she is the subject, was is the helping verb, and not is added in order to convert the sentence into the negative form, then ing form of the verb, then remaining sentence. Okay, so this is the negative form of the past continuous form. Next, I was not studying for my exam. I is the subject here, then helping verb, then not in order to convert the sentence into the negative form, then ing form of the verb study, and then our remaining sentence. So the sentence is converted into the negative past continuous form. They, again our subject, then we added were, helping form of the helping verb with they, we use were, then not in order to convert the sentence into the negative form, and then the remaining sentence. Okay, now how to convert sentence into the negative form? We are given a sentence. See, we were going to the grocery store. Now in order to convert a positive sentence into the negative form, we simply add not. Okay, so we were, after the helping verb we will add not, then ing form of the verb, going to the grocery store. So the sentence is converted into the negative past continuous tense. The children were playing in the garden. See, the children were, after were we will add not in order to convert the sentence into the negative past continuous form. The children were not playing in the garden. Now how to write the interrogative past continuous tense? Means interrogative means in the question form. How to write the sentence of past continuous into the interrogative form? Okay, in order to convert into the interrogative form, we will first of all we will add helping verb. Okay, then our subject, then ing form of the verb, and then our remaining sentence. See, was, helping verb, then our subject, then ing form of the verb, and then the remaining sentence. Okay, then see, were you talking to me? Were is the helping verb, you is the subject, talking is the ing form of the verb, and then our remaining sentence. So the sentence is converted into the interrogative form. Thank you.